it's Maribelle, and I am back with you on another Tuesday morning haul. Before I get started, if you haven't already heard, Tuesday morning is going to file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Now, it doesn't mean that they're going out of business totally. It just means that they want to restructure their organization, and it does mean that some Tuesday mornings stores will be shut. And I think they're going to be making the announcement within the next week or so. I heard that my Tuesday morning that I go to is being closed. And I went there today, and I can tell that it's being closed because the shelves are kind of bare. So I don't think they're going to be getting any new product. So I'm a little sad, but I do have a Tuesday morning in the next city, which is just an additional 10-15 minute drive. So I'm not totally going to be without a Tuesday morning, but it's good to know that they are still going to be around. So with that said, let's get started, and I will show you some of the things that I found at, so I ended up going to my Tuesday morning and to the other Tuesday morning that is at the other city nearby, because my Tuesday morning was kind of bare. So I figured that the Tuesday morning, the other Tuesday morning might have more stuff. So some of the stuff I got are repeats, but I couldn't help but to get it. So I know I told you guys over and over and over again, I love Maggie Holmes. Had to get this, especially if I know that they're, this one I found at my Tuesday morning. So I definitely got it. I think it just, screams happy and pretty, especially look at that gold. I love that. So, now this paper is not double-sided, so, it's either you like that pattern or you don't. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. So definitely worth the $6.99, and nothing in this pad of paper repeats. So no duplicates on this one. So very, very good, and it was $6.99. Okay. Then I don't usually use 12 by 12, like a full sheet of 12 by 12. I use usually, like when I'm scrapbooking, just like pieces. So I really like this size. This size is 6 by 8. And so I picked these up, and I couldn't remember if I know I have that one already, but I couldn't remember if I had these two. This one is Pink Paisley, Auburn Lane. And this was $2.99. And here you got I think that's either a maroon or like a brown maroon, and pink and green and some gold and black. And again, none of these repeat. Very nice. You have some tags that you can cut out. Let's love more, live the good life, every moment matters, thankful, let's gather together. So this is a good pad of paper for like family, Thanksgiving, anything like that. Very nice. And this is by Heidi Swapp, Magnolia Jane. And this is also $2.99. This paper is also one-sided. And it has greens and browns, black, and some pink. And nothing in here repeats as well. I like when the pad of paper doesn't repeat. I don't know. I just think, I don't know. I like that. I like to have more choices. But it is a single-sided, so you can't use the other side if that's what the plan is. But for $2.99, how to get it. And again, that is Magnolia Jane. And this one's by Maggie Holmes. And it is Flourish. And I absolutely love this. I know I have it already, but for $2.99, why not have more, right? And I think the reason why I like it so much, not just because it's Maggie Holmes, but because it has the gold foil. I mean, look at that. I mean, this paper is just so pretty. And I'm not usually not a flower person, but I don't know, something about hers just, I don't know, speaks to me. And nothing in here, I don't think I'm seeing anything that repeats. Yeah, they do not repeat. So really happy with this. And again, this is Flourish by Maggie Holmes for $2.99. Okay. And at both of the stores, they didn't have any new, I didn't see any like new product, like a lot of new product. I don't know if it's just because they're just opening up or, you know, maybe it's just my store because it's closing. But, you know, I did go to the other one, so I don't know. But I did see this, and I haven't seen this before. And this is $1.49. And they are turquoise, and they're glitter. It's like, I don't know if you can see that or not. But the letters are glitter. And I would say, are they like plastic or are they more like chipboard? Let's see. They are plastic. Okay, so it's not like chipboard. Chipboard, sometimes I don't like it because it gets too, it's too heavy. It doesn't always stay. This is that plastic that really stays down really good. So I really like this. There's some punctuation in there too, but there's no numbers. Just the alphabet and some punctuation for $1.49. I did not see it in any other colors though, but I like that. Then I have a son who he asked me one day, can I use your markers? Can I color is what he said. And I did see him going into my room, so I don't know, I didn't put two and two together. Turns out he used my Copic and all my other markers to color some stuff, a banner. And a lot of my markers are no good anymore now because of it, so I picked these up from Tuesday Morning for $5.99, and these are the blues, or like a not like a navy blue. They're more turquoise. Yeah, turquoise. Really nice. They have the narrow tip there, and then the flat one there. I really like the brush ones, but I don't know if Spectrum has the brush ones or not, but how to get those. These are the pinks and like a lavender and a red. And these are the browns, brown gray. This is good for like when you're coloring things that are white, because you can't just leave it white. You got to add some dimension to it. So these are really good for that. And it came with 6 markers in each package for $5.99. So that's pretty good. That's a buck a marker. So can't beat that. Now I just got to make sure my son stays away from it. So, oh yeah, this is called turquoise. This is the warm grays. And these are the pink roses. So, really glad I picked those up. I did find this that I hadn't seen before. This are plastic stickers. So they're plastic, they're not chipboard. and they are like, you know, one piece titles. So it says relax, escape, beauty, serene, enjoy, no worries. And it's a white and gray. Really cute. Really cute. For $1.19. Now I'm going to be starting an album on my time in quarantine. So I think this might go really well with that. I also picked up some adhesive squares. I use so much adhesive, but these are just excellent for just, you know, if you're just going to be attaching the photos. So really nice, really easy to use. Now, I do want to share with you something that I found at the Dollar Tree. I don't know what the last time you've been at the Dollar Tree, but they have a craft section. And that's something new for me. So I picked up some things that I know I can use on in my scrapbooking. And this is double-sided tape. So, you know, for when you're attached, it's just like the, you know, you stick it on and then you peel this side. So I'm really excited because that other tape can go for like $5-6 depending on, or, you know, depending on what size you get. So I thought this was a really good find. It doesn't say the width of it, but I'm thinking, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch maybe. I don't know, maybe, or 1/2 an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch. But so I definitely picked up 2 of those. I didn't want to pick up too much. I got so excited, but oh, it says right here, 0.3 inches by 33 feet. Yeah, so I wanted to try it out first before I go off and buy a whole bunch, but I'm really excited about it. I will let you know if you know, it works as good as the other stuff that, you know, is more expensive. So I got those. And I found pop-up tape. And in different sizes. So if you're trying to add dimension to, you know, your cards, I mean, look how thick that is. That is pretty nice. And, you know, you can get it the bigger, and there's the medium, and then the smaller for smaller embellishments. So I didn't get all excited and do a whole bunch of those. I'm going to try it out first. Again, I'll let you know how it goes. But I was excited about that. And what's neat is you can cut it the size that you want it. So if, you know, if you only need a little piece, you can just cut a little piece. Or if you want a whole strip, you know, because it's one, it's all attached, you cut it the size that you want. So exciting. I can't wait to try it and see if it's any good. For $1, it's worth trying, right? But I also found, they call it mounting tape, but you can also use it as tape for adding dimension to your pages. So really excited about this. I've used before. It works great. I don't buy any of the expensive stuff anymore. I just use this. And I think people are on to me because I could only find one pack. So I can only find one pack. So I don't know how much you'll find when you go there, but I can only find one. But I try every time I go there, I pick up, you know, as many as I can find. And then I told you that I am going to be starting an album on my quarantine, my time being quarantined. So I thought, you know, this might be, you know, I don't know, there's some cute little things to put on there as a little accent. And then I found these, not scrapbook related, but I know a lot of people are out there making masks right now. And one of the alternatives to pinning is you can clip your fabric together, and as you're sewing, you can just pull the clip off. So excited about these too. So anyways, if you like the video, please click like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and do a little research and see if your Tuesday morning is on the chopping block or not. Hopefully not, or hopefully if it is, you have another Tuesday morning in your area that you can go to, because Tuesday morning is such a great place to find deals. Scrapbooking is fun, but it can also be very costly. So if we can find a place that can get us some deals, then we're all for it, right? All right, see you next time.